What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. Ethereum is breaking all the resistance right now, and Bitcoin trying to bounce from the previous support, guys. So let's check what is happening and what will be the next possible target for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right. So let's check first the overall prices. Bitcoin is currently trading at 23,951, up by 3% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum going crazy today, guys. Currently trading at 1,768. Today, I think the local high is around $1,818 for Ethereum. And I have posted on Twitter one of the VIP calls today, and that was exactly on the line in the short position. BNB currently trading, and also BNB, watch out guys, because if you have watched the previous stream, I have made a chart for BNB, and currently BNB is retesting the monthly resistance as a support, so watch out. XRP up by 1.3%. Cardano is also up by 2.5%. Solana, one of the strong movers today, up by almost 4%. Also Polkadot back to $9, guys. Polkadot is one of my long-term portfolio. If you have been following me, I have started to DCA, and I have started taking out some cryptos from exchanges and transferring it to my hardware wallet. when Bitcoin was trading at around $17,000. That was around June 14, and I have posted that on Twitter and on the and in the VIP group. Dogecoin is up by 0.8. AVAX is also one of the strong movers this week, guys, up by 25% in the past 7 days. Polygon Matic, we have Shiba Inu at number 15. Tron, suddenly Tron, we have some movement here, 0.07. Ethereum Classic still at number 19, and Ethereum or Litecoin still trying to regain the number 20 spot. So XLM, we have Flow, GRT, strong movers today. We have also Link. What is Ton? It's like Tron logo, but it's Ton. I don't know what Ton is. We have also Near and Mina. We have also Rune here. Fear and Greed still, let me refresh, still at the 30 level. So we are still in fear. At least we are not in the extreme fear level. So let's see if this pump or if this rally continues to move as the retail started to regain their trust in crypto and in most of the traditional market today. Hi Mirage, watching our stream today. We have also Rashad watching the live stream. Like and subscribe, that's correct. We have Luis Migia. Hi bro, long time regards from New York. Wow, we have some viewers from New York. Mirage about KSM. So let's check if we still have time. We'll check some of the requests today. Fear and Greed at 30. Let's check the amount of long and short position here. 5-minute time frame. We have 61% in long position. Bitcoin. Wow. Let's check what is happening with the chart. We have a lot of long position, right? That's the 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, also 52% in long position. Let's check Ethereum, guys. This is just going to be a quick stream today because my I have some nasal allergies. Can we still short Phantom? CME gap previous has been covered today. I expect cover new gap within this week. Where's the gap? I have gap 23, right? That's the 4-hour time frame, right? Sheep is one of the requests, please. What's up, Zachary Naim from Turkey? Thanks for joining me today. Right, so Ethereum, guys, 5-minute time frame we have. It's better to check this one here, easier. So Ethereum 55% in long position, 15 minutes in the past 15 minutes. Let's check 5-minute. Mostly on short, past 1 hour. Mostly on short because Ethereum have hit the resistance level at around 1,820-ish level. Let's check the news very fast, guys. Bitcoin target 8-week high as Ethereum reaches $1,800. Optimism and expectation increase around crypto market, but U.S. inflation data looms large this week. So, despite of the all the recession, CPI news, rate hikes, here in crypto we are still moving up. We are in a mini bull market right now. So, we have seen altcoins pump left and right. We have Flow, we have Rose, very strong movers, guys. Bitcoin look to target new August high at the August 8th Wall Street Open as upcoming United States inflation data fueled sentiment. When is the next CPI report coming out? Let me know in the comment section. FTM stop loss. All right, so let's check Phantom. 25,000 is the next major resistance for Bitcoin. So let's check if this is in confluence with our chart. All right. So let's finish this news first. Data from Cointelegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView followed BTCUSD as it hit 24,246 on Bitstamp, its best since July 30. The pair was within striking distance of its highest since mid-June and the time of writing, while traders and analysts scan the chart for sign of resistance. So let's check later on what will be the next resistance for Bitcoin. For on-chain monitoring resources material indicator, this came in form of seller at 25,000. So next resistance based on this news, this was published 2 hours ago. Next resistance for Bitcoin that they're watching is at $25,000. Bitcoin's 100-day moving average bear market rally is pumping ahead of CPI report. Let me know, guys, when is the schedule after 2 days. All right, so we have a CPI report coming on the 10th of August based on according to Rashad. Bear market rally is pumping ahead of weak CPI report, it wrote as part of its latest Twitter update. An accompanying chart showed long signal still characterizing the daily chart with 100-day moving average sitting around 25,650. So this is the moving average that they are looking at right now. This blue line right here at around 25,600 level. Is it in confluence with our chart? All right. Let's check it later. Here and here. This and this one. All right. So 23, we have 24,200 and 26,000 in the daily time frame, right? So back to the news. Running the show on risk asset was Augustin Consumer Price Index print, with markets waiting to see if US inflation had to set a peak. While this would notionally allow crypto some breathing space, commentators point out that the risk of major stock market correction remained. The crypto still heavily corrected. Move by Larry Fink, CEO of largest manager BlackRock, guys, is joining the game right now. They are betting on Coinbase. You know, BlackRock is the biggest management asset in the US based on New York, and they are holding just $10 trillion under asset management, guys. $10 trillion. So if they are just going to allocate small percentage of their asset to crypto or Bitcoin right now, what's the current market cap for Bitcoin? Bitcoin is $500 billion right now, 457 billion. And BlackRock is holding $10 trillion under asset management. This is mega whale joining the game, guys. So expect more volatility, and this is just my own opinion. So I think BlackRock is going to bring volatility in the market if they're going to allocate portion of their asset under management into crypto. So they're going to bring volatility, and not only volatility, but of course, I think there will be market manipulation based on the amount, in my own opinion, based on the amount of assets that they are holding. So moves by Larry Fink, CEO of the world's largest asset management, BlackRock, exacerbated concerns that risk assets were simply in the midst of extended bear market relief rally. So I think BlackRock right now is targeting, they want your Bitcoin, guys. So we'll expect some volatility in the coming days. After last week's partnership with US exchange Coinbase, Fink sold a tranche of more than 44,000 BlackRock shares this month. His first major sale since the month before, March 20. Who is Larry Fink? Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock. Fink sold a tranche of more than 44,000 shares. What's the meaning of this? His first major sale since the month before March of COVID crash. Something is going to happen. Concern thus focused on whether Fink now knew something that majority did not. This is something we need to watch out, guys, because Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, sold a tranche of more than 44,000 BlackRock shares this month. So is he expecting a more downtrend to the traditional market, and this may affect the crypto market as well? Let's continue. This is interesting. I think the one thing that can push price back down is the stock market having another major pullback. I agree, because if stock market makes a correction or makes major pullback, crypto is going to follow, guys. Trader and pundit Max Rager continued on the day. Outside, hard to see something putting as much selling pressure as we had with both Luna and 3AC. Rager argued that since the majority were expecting a trip to June's low or worse, this would no longer be what causes the market max pain. Okay, Ethereum merge could be buy the rumor and sell the news. So also another thing that we need to watch out. Hola, no entiendo on Hola, Natalia. My Spanish is limited. Hola, mi amigo. Is that correct? Sí. ¿Cómo estás? Going back to the news, guys. Out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, it was Bitcoin putting in best daily or even weekly performance. All right. So something we need to watch out is the Ethereum merge this coming September 19, if I'm correct. So this could be buy the rumor and sell the news. This news is pretty interesting, talking about BlackRock. Chill, your Spanish is good. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling quite well. I have nasal allergy. Hola, Natalia. Ires de España is held for review. All right, so let me finish this stream, guys, because my Fed reverse repo reaches 2.3 trillion. But what does this mean for crypto investors? So I just would like to focus this last part here very quickly. So think of the reverse repo as a safety tax, a loss someone is willing to incur for the lowest risk possible. The Federal Reserve, at some point, investor will either regain confidence in the economy, which positively impacts risk asset, crypto, or they will no longer accept returns below inflation level. In short, all this cash is waiting on sideline for an entry point, whether real estate, bonds, equities, currencies, commodities, or crypto, unless runaway inflation magically goes away. A portion of 2.3 trillion will eventually flow to other assets. So this is something we need to watch out as well. We have a lot of Spanish watching right now. Time check, it's 10 p.m. All right, guys, so back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still trading inside this bear flag pattern, and this is the level that I am watching last time, guys. So I was expecting a support on this level, and if Bitcoin breaks this level, I was expecting a big red candle like this, because this was a breakout point here. This was the breakout point, and also this serves as a support for Bitcoin. As what you can see in the previous test of or retest of support here, Bitcoin has been rejected and we have seen a big red candle. But this time right here, Bitcoin have bounced, managed to hold this as a support, this level 22,600 level, managed to hold it as a support, and right now Bitcoin is trying to retest. We have a daily resistance here at 24,272. If you are going to zoom out here, this is the daily resistance here, this one. So this will be the level that we need to watch out for Bitcoin. But as long as Bitcoin trades inside this bear flag, we are still at risk of the bear flag target, which will be the bottom of this channel, somewhere around here. This will be the first target and another one here. So breakdown target, this will be our supports for Bitcoin, and resistances that you need to watch out will be this resistance trend line, orange line. So top or peak of this will be around 25,000. That is actually correct. This level right here, this one, the price could reach up to this level here and could get rejected at around 25,000. But we have small resistance here for Bitcoin, this red line at 24,300. Resistance, another resistance at 25,000, and also we have resistance at $26,200. So that's for Bitcoin, and still we are the RSI in the daily time frame. Stochastic RSI is still hovering on this mid level here. Eventually this is going to revisit the oversold area. So right now this is in consolidation while the price is moving up, still trading inside this bear flag pattern. Next target, just in case, we have a strong support. This one is acting as a strong support. White line, guys, 22,600 is the level to break. Just in case Bitcoin's price breaks this level, the next support that I am watching is around 20,800 and $19,000. So that's for Bitcoin, guys, and these are the two resistances that we need to watch out right now. If Bitcoin manages to break this as a break this resistance at 25,000 and manages to retest this as a support, this is going to be a massive rally back to around 28,000 level, guys. So watch out for this level in the coming days, and also watch out for the CPI report. And Ethereum, Again. So Ethereum is successfully breaks this resistance at 1770, and we have a support here in this level. In the previous stream, I have shared this orange line, this pattern here, retest. Ethereum have successfully retested this as a support. You see, we have a breakout, retest of support, another retest of resistance at 1770, and another retest of support here. And right now, we have seen Ethereum broke out of this resistance and breakout point. And right now, in the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum is trying to retest this previous resistance as a support. So watch out. If this will hold as a support, next target will be the top of this rising wedge, guys. We have one resistance here. We have one resistance at 1857 level. Resistance at 1857 level. And ideally, the target of this breakout will be the top of this wedge at around 1900 level. Let me label it. So successful retest of support target. So this will be the target. And if you're going to zoom out, guys, you're going to zoom out, Ethereum is actually here. This is in confluence. Top of the wedge is in confluence with this resistance level. Also acted as previous support for Ethereum in the daily time frame here. This white line, 1900 level. Sound check. Do I have sound right now? Sound check. All right. So back to the chart. Ethereum, if you're going to zoom out, is forming a rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern, guys. And possible target, just in case Ethereum manages to hold 1765 or 1770 level as a support, the next target will be 1900, the top of this wedge. And ideally, if this will be the ideal short position here, falling wedge is a bearish pattern. So we might see this price action in the coming days. If this will if this resistance will turn into a support, but if this is a fake out, here, Ethereum might revisit this previous support at around 1670 level, and then we might see if this will hold or will break down. But for now, Ethereum is retesting this previous resistance as a support. So next possible price action is we might get a bounce, and this could be the target 1900-ish level, and we could see a breakdown from here. This is a falling wedge, a bearish pattern, and ideal price target for the falling wedge is the base of the wedge at around 1462 level. Again, we might see a bounce, top of the wedge, breakdown, and target will be 1460 level. So this is the next possible price action for Ethereum in the coming days. Let me delete the old arrows. All right, so this will be the next possible price action for Ethereum. If this fails to hold as a support, next target for Ethereum will be back to this support line or revisit of the previous support trend line at around 1670 level. or this orange line here, 1670. All right, so that's for Ethereum, guys. Next possible target will be the top of the wedge, 1900 up to 1930. Top of this wedge. Falling wedge or rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So that was a target, guys, for the falling wedge, just in case if we break down to the downside is 1460 level, the previous support here. All right, so that's for Ethereum Phantom, guys. This was the previous chart, still trading inside the bear flag pattern. If you're going to zoom out, Phantom is still inside the bear flag pattern and was rejected near the resistance, actually on the resistance trend line here. Got my nose. So again, I cannot breathe. So again, guys, possible stop loss position for Phantom is around 0.4 if you want to short Phantom. All the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, so that's for Phantom, guys, and let's move on to the next chart. BNB, watch out, because BNB have successfully broke out from the monthly resistance, guys, and currently on the process of retesting this as a support. If this manages to hold as a support, the next target for BNB is around $360. We have a strong resistance on this area, and if this is a fake out, as what you can see in the previous price action here, this level here, BNB manages to broke out from the monthly resistance and then retest it, but eventually revisited the previous low. So we need to watch out for this level. If this will hold, the next target will be this white line at $360. But if this is a fake out, the next support for BNB will be this green line at around $293. This is a strong resistance level here because this was the previous support for BNB if you're going to zoom out in the daily time frame and in the 4-hour time frame. All right, so I think I need to end the stream right now because my I have nasal allergy. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I will continue to update you on Twitter, and let's continue to talk in the VIP in Discord. All right, so thanks for joining me. If you have enjoyed this video today, please hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.